Okay, so here's an overview of how a teacher would log into the typing.com interface to check on kids' words per minute stats and scores. So briefly, I'm going to go to typing.com and I'm going to go to the teacher login. I'm going to use my email because only one email is allowed for each account. And then it's EST1887LS. Okay, once we're in here, you'll see there's a couple options. The dashboard, which we're on now, will show you if somebody's on. If your kids are on, you'll see their name show up here, and it'll show you what they're doing. Under classes, you'll find the breakdown of all the different grades. You can see all the 6 advisories and the 7 advisories. And so if I wanted to, for example, go to Boterman, I see that there are 17 students, and I could view and manage students and see a list of all the people. As a reminder, the format for kids to log in, some of your 6th graders will know this from being in the lower school, and anybody from Hillcrest School will know as well, so like Nikhil and Aaron. Okay, so it's HRS dot first letter of the first name and last name, so you can see that here. And then the password is going to be their initials and the year of their graduation. If they have 2 last names, they're going to have 3 initials in their password. So anyway, so this gives you a sense of what this looks like. I'm going to go back to classes. Okay, and then I'm going to show you that students just lists all the kids without being sorted, but you can kind of switch through classes here. Okay, so reports is the part where you can really see a lot of compelling info and get a sense of where kids are at. So I'm going to choose all time. I'm going to select a typing test, which is the first thing the kids will do before any recommendations. And then I'm going to choose at the same time a class that I know has taken a typing test. So let's check out about 5Z, and I'm going to run a report. And I'll see that the last time that they took a typing test, they have their time spent on the test, so we can sort by that if we want. We've got the times taken. You've got the average gross speed, which is the total number of words typed, and the average accuracy, and the average net speed. Now, what we're really interested in most is the average net speed. That's how many words I type correctly without any errors. This gross speed is valuable, but this is really the value we look for when we start looking at the ranges. And I believe in 6th grade, it's 35 to 45 words per minute is the expected WPM by the end of the year. I don't know if that's changed in the last year, but you can see there's a pretty big discrepancy from lowest to highest. So there might be certain students we would prescribe to use this or suggest. Anyway, so then you can also look at other things, class scoreboard, detailed by lesson, just general student progress. See how much time they've spent total. Anyway, then in the lessons, you can actually see what kids are doing. So they begin at the beginning. You might have your kids begin in intermediate if you're doing this as suggested areas, or have them choose. In any case, the typing test is our main focus in here. So I'm going to go log out and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.